Lal Bahadur Shastri once said, "We believe in peace and development, not only for ourselves, but for people all over the world." Conducive to this statement, our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, planned a set of activities under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav for a resurgent Atmanirbhar Bharat. I, Ashlyn Verma, am your host for today to a plethora of items to envision the India which will merge the best of tradition with the most modern global outlook. I heartily welcome you all to the day's grandeur. I pay my gratitude to the esteemed members of the School Management Committee and parents who have taken out their valuable time to be with us and encourage the young performers. I also welcome our ever-guiding lights, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, and Coordinator teachers for extending endless support. Let's perform our traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony to seek blessings.
स्वागत हो आपका आपका हो सुस्वागतम स्वागत हो आपका आपका हो सुस्वागतम सबको प्यार का मार्ग दिखाया सम्मान करना हमको सिखाया सबको प्यार का मार्ग दिखाया सम्मान करना हमको सिखाया दीजिए आशीष हमें दादा दादा दीजिए आशीष हमें दीजिए आशीष हमें दादा दादा दीजिए आशीष हमें दादा दीजिए आशीष हमें दादा दीजिए आशीष हमें
Now it is time to accord the young achievers of Sadhu Vaswani International School for Girls. Let's proceed to the annual prize distribution ceremony.
National All-Rounder Championship 2020 to 2021, organized by KIDEX and co-sponsored by Niti Aayog, is a platform aimed at holistic development of children. The competitions were based on gamified approach with over 30 challenges across 5 developmental themes: creativity and imagination, social and emotional skills, language and communication, cognitive skills, physical skills and development. Many students from our school participated in this wonderful program and have won many accolades. To start with, we have Isha Goel of class 5th C, who has bagged the position of being the elite participant of KIDEX National All-Rounder Championship. And to join her on the same platform, we have Tanvi Goel and Divnoor Kaur of class 5th C and Ashlyn Verma of class 4th B. Next we have Sanchi of class 3rd B and Charvi Bhatia of class 4th A, who have bagged the position of being the mega participant. Ashlyn Verma of class 4th B secured rank 1 in KIDEX National All-Rounder Championship 2020 to 2021. Now, we move ahead to the next event's awardees. Nuveka of class 3rd A received Zonal Gold Medal along with a cash prize of ₹1,000 in SOF English Olympiad. Ananya Pandey of class 3rd A received an International Gold Medal along with a cash prize of ₹1,000 in SOF English Olympiad. Shivangi Chadha of class 4th C received the Medal of Distinction and ₹500 for the SOF English Olympiad. Yalisha Bhatia of class 3rd C received the International Bronze Medal and a cash prize of ₹1,000 in SOF Science Olympiad. Ananya Pandey of class 3rd A received International Gold Medal and a cash prize of ₹1,000 for the SOF GK Olympiad. Shivangi Chadha of class 4th C received the Medal of Distinction and a cash prize of ₹500 for SOF GK Olympiad. Divnoor Kaur and Lavishka Mishra of class 5th C received the Medal of Distinction and a cash prize of ₹500 for the SOF GK Olympiad. Ashlyn Verma of class 5th B received the Gold Award for the Royal Commonwealth Society for an essay competition. Prisha Gupta of class 1st B secured the first position in road safety inter-school competition held at Gyan Mandir School. She also secured the first position in ASN Senior Secondary School, in which she conveyed the importance of conserving endangered species of the planet Earth. Sniti Dubey and Harshita Joshi of class 5 secured first position in Curiosity Quiz held at New Era Public School. Tanmeet Kaur of class 5th C received cash prize of ₹1000 for International Inter-School Premchand Story Fest 2021 held by Act Universal. And last but not the least, Sneha Jha of class 4th C secured the first position for Little Leap Book Review. It was indeed fulfilling to halt for a while and look back at the achievements and feel proud of what you have done. Heartiest congratulations to all the award winners. Through these accolades, we aim to encourage you all to keep getting better and keep bringing glory to the school. Thank you.
India has come a long way since independence, leaving behind a string of landmarks that define its journey from the agony of partition to a strong, powerful and developing nation. Let us visualize the glory and magnificent achievements of our nation through a skit.
At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी। लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तो, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
ए वतन मेरे तू हमेशा आबाद रहे, आने वाली पुश्तों को तू सदा याद रहे। चलो आज़ादी के पलों को सब मिलकर याद करें, बरगद की जुबानी आज़ादी के 75 सालों का बखान करे।
जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
भारत की आजादी से भी पुराना हूँ मैं, देखे मैंने कई दशक कल और आज के, मना रहे आजादी का महोत्सव हर्ष और उल्लास से। महोत्सव? कैसा महोत्सव? यह महोत्सव है आजादी के इतिहास का, नए संकल्पों के साथ का, आत्मनिर्भरता के आगाज का, भारत की अनेकता में एकता के एहसास का।
अनेकता में एकता है हिंद की विशेषता है बढ़ाते हम कदम ये आसमां भी देखता फूले एक बाग के इस धरा के हम हाथ जोड़ कर करे अपने देश को नमन फूले एक बाग के इस धरा के हम हाथ जोड़ कर करे अपने देश को नमन ये सुबह शान है अपनी ये पहचान है सोन चिड़िया कहो या कह दो हिंदुस्तान है अनेकता में एकता है हिंद की विशेषता है बढ़ाते हम कदम ये आसमां भी देखता रात के अंधेरे में एक जोत थी जली जो सबसे कह रही थी आजादी तुम्हें मिले रात के अंधेरे में एक जोत थी जली जो सबसे कह रही थी आजादी तुम्हें मिले एक गोली थी चली जो अपनी छाती पर लगी शहीद माटी में हुए जब मुश्क करके एक गोली थी चली जो अपनी छाती पर लगी शहीद माटी में हुए जब पुष्प पे खिले सा सा गा गा पा 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 मा मा गा गा रे सा नी मेरे माँ मा मा गा गा रे गा रे सा आ वीर तुम बड़े चलो अपनी ये आवाज है कहते हैं जय हिंद हम सबकी ये आवाज है अनेकता में एकता है हिंद की विशेषता है बढ़ा के हम कदम ये आसमान भी देखता ये आसमान भी देखता ये आसमान भी देखता हमें कैसे मिली आजादी
अंग्रेजी हुकूमत ने देश को बेड़ियां पहनाई एक हुए सब दीवाने देश की आजादी की ज्योत जगाई अनगिनत बलिदानों के बाद शहीदों ने आजादी दिलाई
बलिदान किसने दिया बलिदान
The innumerable leaves on my branches remind me of the unsung heroes who laid down their lives for our motherland and contributed for the freedom of India.
Non-violence is the weapon of the strong.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi, is regarded as the father of nation. Gandhi ji was a social reformist and a leader of Indian independence movement who introduced the idea of non-violence and peace.
माटी पुकारे तुझे देश पुकारे आजा रे अब आजा रे भूले हम राह हमें राह दिखा दे आजा रे राह दिखा दे ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से सालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे हो पद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान गे वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम बना रे नफरत की आधी पैती रे वहशी दिलों को बापू प्यार सिखा दे आजा रे बापू आजा रे
Subhash Chandra Bose is fondly remembered as one of the greatest freedom fighters of India and popularly known by the name of Netaji. He founded Indian National Army to overthrow British Empire from India.
सुभाष जी वो जान हिंद आ गए, है नाज जिस पे हिंद को वो शान हिंद आ गए। सुभाष जी सुभाष जान हिंद है, सुभाष शान हिंद है। सुभाष आन हिंद है, सुभाष मान हिंद है। सुभाष जी वो जान हिंद आ गए, है नाज जिस पे हिंद को वो शान हिंद आ गए। सुभाष जी
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है।
Ram Prasad Bismil was an Indian revolutionary who participated in the Manpuri and Kakauri conspiracy. He was not only a freedom fighter but a patriotic poet too.
इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद।
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। वक्त आने पे बता देंगे तुझे ऐ आसमां, क्या बताए हम जुनूने शौक किस मंजिल में है। तेरे सोने रूप को हम एक नई बहार देंगे, देश मेरे देश तुझ पे जिंदगी भी वार देंगे। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है।
Oh wow! I feel so proud to be an Indian and learn about the courage and sacrifices made by our great freedom fighters and brave soldiers. I completely agree with you. In fact, in the present day scenario, isn't it motivating to see that our country have progressed and excelled in various fields? Let us now catch a few insightful glimpses of our country's beautiful journey of progress over the last 75 years. In 1948, our Indian hockey team defeated the British and won country's first gold medal in Summer Olympics. I know Indian cricket fans cannot forget 25th June 1983, the day we lifted first World Cup trophy. I am the first Indian chess grandmaster.
and former world champion in 2000. My throw of 87.58 meters made history in Tokyo Olympics on 7th August 2021 when I won India's first ever gold medal in athletics.
Saiko Mirabai Chanu won silver medal in Tokyo Olympics 2020. Leander Paes and Mahesh Bhupathi together rose to world's #1 position and held the Davis Cup record for most consecutive wins. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar is the highest run scorer in international cricket and the only player who scored 100 international centuries. Pankaj Arjun Advani, born 24 July 1985, is an Indian billiards and snooker player. He is a 23-time world champion. Hina Sindhu became the first Indian pistol shooter to reach at world #1 rank. Major Dhyan Chand was an Indian field hockey player who was honored with Padma Bhushan in 1956.
Murlikant Petkar won the country's first ever gold medal in freestyle swimming at the Paralympics in 1972 and was awarded the Padma Shri in 2018. Avni Lekhara is the first Indian woman ever to win gold medal in Tokyo Paralympics in 2020 for shooting. This is the first time ever that India has won 7 medals across varied sporting events in Tokyo Summer Olympics 2020. India has won 19 medals at the Tokyo Paralympics, 5 gold, 8 silver and 6 bronze medals.
Yoga means addition of energy, strength and beauty to body, mind and soul. It is a perfect cure for stress and fatigue. This is why our Prime Minister initiated to celebrate the International Day of Yoga annually on 21st June since 2015. So come on, join me and my friends in performing some asanas.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् विनाशाय च दुष्कृता धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे 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 युगे।
तरह तू चल चूके ना निशाना, तीर की तरह तू चल चूके ना निशाना। लक्ष्य तेरा सामने है, जीत के है आना। लक्ष्य तेरा सामने है, जीत के है आना। हौसला हौसला दिलों में है और रगों में जोश है, तेरे साथ तिरंगा है, ये विजय का उद्घोष है। तू ठान ले, तू ठान ले, तू ठान ले, तू ठान ले, अब जीत को अंजाम दे। तीर की तरह तू चल, चूके ना निशाना, तीर की तरह तू चल, चूके ना निशाना, लक्ष्य तेरे सामने है, जीत गए है आना।
Let's look at our country's achievement in other fields.
Not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with great love.
She received Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 for her work in bringing help to suffering humanity.
They can put me in the jungle, still I can create.
He was known as the Picasso of India and was awarded Padma Bhushan in 1973 and Padma Vibhushan in 1991.
ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी.
Lata Mangeshkar, also known as the Nightingale of India, is one of the most versatile singers in the Indian film industry. She was awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor, in 2001.
I am the first musician ever to be awarded Bharat Ratna. I sing Carnatic music.
Dr. M.S. Swaminathan is an Indian geneticist and is called the father of Green Revolution in India. He was awarded Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. Dr. Varghese Kurian, known as the father of White Revolution in India, he was honored with Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai was an Indian physicist who initiated space research in India. He is regarded as the father of Indian space program and was honored with Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan.
Amartya Sen. Amartya Kumar Sen is an Indian economist and philosopher. He is honored with Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Sciences and Bharat Ratna. Har Gobind Khurana. Har Gobind Khurana was an Indian-American biochemist. He was awarded Nobel Prize for Physiology or Medicine. Kailash Satyarthi. Kailash Satyarthi is an Indian social reformer who has been awarded Nobel Peace Prize.
Major Somnath Sharma was the first person to receive Paramveer Chakra Award. Captain Vikram Batra was awarded the Paramveer Chakra, India's highest military honor, on 15 August 1999.
I am an Indian violinist who performs Hindustani classical music. I have been awarded Padma Shri in 1984 and Padma Bhushan in 2004.
I am one of the first female Mridangam players of India. I have received India's fourth highest civilian award, Padma Shri, in 2021.
Bhimsen Joshi is one of the greatest Indian vocalists and was honored with Bharat Ratna. Ustad Bismillah Khan is famous Shehnai player honored with Bharat Ratna. Pandit Ravi Shankar is famous sitarist honored with Bharat Ratna.
Pandit Birju Maharaj is the world record Kathak dancer who has been awarded Padma Vibhushan in 1986. Padma Subramaniam is an Indian classical Bharatnatyam dancer who has been awarded Padma Shri in 1981 and Padma Bhushan in 2003. Now let's lend our ears to the acoustic instrumental performances.
यात्रा के लिए बधाई देता है। ऊपर से भारत कैसा दिखता है? जी मैं बेझिझक कह सकता हूँ कि सारे जहां से अच्छा।
First rocket launch. In 1963, India launched its first rocket from Thumba near Kerala. Aryabhatta satellite. In 1975, India's first indigenous satellite named Aryabhatta was launched. Mars mission. On 5th November 2013, ISRO successfully launched Mars orbiter mission. Chandrayaan 1. India's first mission to moon was launched successfully on October 22, 2008.
Satyajit Ray, one of the greatest filmmakers of all time, was the recipient of 64th Academy Awards in 1991 and was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1992. A.R. Rahman is an Indian composer, singer and songwriter who created history in 2009 by becoming the first ever Indian to win 2 Academy Awards. So let's tap our feet on his Oscar-winning composition, Jai Ho.
3, 2, 1, go.
Harsh on the beat, yes.
India has successfully reached the mark of 100 crore fully vaccinated citizens, which if compared is equivalent to almost double the population of North America.
How can we forget our frontline warriors who have shed their blood and sweat to serve the humankind, which includes our teachers too, who did not let us miss out on our studies during lockdown by switching to online classes overnight.
I feel so proud to be a young citizen of this progressive nation, Bharat. India has several achievements to its credit, be it physics, medicine, literature, sports, music, film, or space. Our nation overcame different hurdles and Indians earned global recognition in various fields. It is our fundamental duty to contribute to the welfare of our nation and make consistent efforts to achieve more for India's upliftment. Embracing the opportunities of digitalization and self-reliant India can be the contributing strategies for the development of our nation. Let us all dream of a developed nation and put forth some small steps towards channelizing India towards development. Then the nation will smile on its victory. Jai Hind.
जरा आँख में भर लो पानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी छंदे से आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम बिन ये घर सुना सुना है मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही माँ तुझे सलाम अम्मा तुझे सलाम
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की थोड़ी सी खुशबू बाराई सी मस्त बन की थोड़ी सी धोपने वाली धक 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 जिनमें हो जुनून वो बंदे लाल लहू की ये सब तू मिला मिला ले फिर रंग तो खिला खिला ले और मोहित रंग ते बसंती यारा मोहित रंग ते बसंती झुके तेरे आगे सर तेरी गोद मेरा घर है तुझे सलाम इंडिया झुके तेरे आगे सर तेरी गोद मेरा घर है तुझे सलाम इंडिया